After purchasing your subscription, the next step is to get your login details. Make sure to ask your provider for the Extreme codes or the M3U URL. These are essential for accessing your playlist. Once you have the details, simply enter them here in the provided fields. This will link your subscription to Tivimate, and you'll be ready to start watching.
We recommend checking out our shop for reliable and high-quality playlists. For more details, check the video description or contact the seller directly for personalized assistance. Our playlists are safe, reliable, and used by thousands of users worldwide. Regularly updated and tested, they provide access to high-quality content, ensuring a secure and seamless viewing experience.
After setting up your subscription channels, the next step is to unlock the premium version of Tivimate. This is essential to access the app's full functionality and enjoy a seamless viewing experience. Tivimate Premium enhances your experience with advanced features like customizable channel groups, better playlist organization, and the ability to create and save your personalized settings. It also offers a more intuitive and polished interface, making it easier to navigate your channels and the guide. To unlock Premium, you'll need to download the Tivimate Companion app on your phone. This app allows you to create an account and manage your subscription. Simply sign up, pay for the subscription, and then return to the Tivimate app on your device. Go to Unlock Premium in the settings, log in with your account, and activate your subscription. Your premium account supports up to 5 devices, so you can use it across multiple screens in your home. Upgrade today to enjoy all the features Tivimate has to offer.